welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to configure tax overrides for US states in Shopify. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So configuring tax overrides in Shopify for US states requires creating a specific manual product collection. So first of all, you need to go and log in into your Shopify account, and then you can simply apply the desired tax rate to the collection within your tax settings. So you should have some prerequisites for this. You must have tax collection enabled for the United States, and you must be using Shopify's manual tax service or the basic tax services. Overrides are not fully supported with the automated Shopify tax service, which uses product categories instead. So first of all, you need to create a manual product collection, apply the tax override, and then you can simply add the overdue as well. So you need to be considerate about the shipping overrides, custom exemptions, and automatic versus manual settings. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.